In another breaking update, we are getting to know that the Bengaluru police have arrested 4 people for providing a false RT-PCR report to a South African national who was later confirmed to be India's first Omicron patient. Now, the patient who was in quarantine managed to leave the country via Dubai after producing fake negative RT-PCR report. And this is exactly how it led to more cases being reported. The first Omicron patient in India, a South African national who was later confirmed. What is being said that at least 4 people who provided him with a false RT-PCR test report have now been arrested by the police there in Bengaluru. But the patient, however, fled to Dubai, who was in quarantine, and he managed to leave the country after producing a fake negative RT-PCR test report. Now, this has been happening there. Let me go to Sagar Raj. This has been happening there, Sagar Raj, at the airports itself. How they can fail to identify a fake, a negative RT-PCR test report, and 4 people being arrested for the same.
So we are talking about the first case which had come to light. Remember, a South African passenger who was working in a pharmaceutical company had visited Bengaluru. And at that point of time, his sample was taken at the airport and it was tested positive for COVID. And later on, it was sent for a genomic sequence. That's when he was supposed to be at a home quarantine or an isolation. And what he had done is, with the help of his colleagues who were working in Bengaluru, he had made a fake RT-PCR test and he had submitted. As of now, the Bengaluru police have arrested 4 people, 2 people who were working with him in a pharmaceutical company and 2 people from the lab. After procuring this RT-PCR test, this South African passenger who had visited Bengaluru have flown back to Dubai using that fake RT-PCR test. Police, which started to investigate this particular case ever since the first case of Omicron was announced by Government of India, and now they have arrested 4 people in this connection.
All right. However, the fake RT-PCR led to the Omicron patient fleeing from India via Dubai. But however, we are getting to know that 4 people have been arrested by the Bengaluru police. For the moment, Sagar Raj, thank you very much.